Welcome to JCA Auditor's ISO 13485 medical device certifications. JCA Auditors have a solid 15-year track record in Southern Africa with a passion for promoting safety, compliance and efficiency in the region. Our team are experts in the medical device industry with a deep understanding of how to apply the ISO 13485 standard most pragmatically and efficiently. Our team have worked for some of the leading names in the medical device sector, so you can be assured of the highest levels of professionalism at all stages of the audit process. At JCA Auditors, we believe in more than just certificates. We're partners in progress, collaborating with clients to drive the medical device sector forward. We have a most efficient 5-step process to guide and direct clients along the road to ISO 13485 certification. JCA are SANAS accredited and are a SAPRA approved certification body, so we have all the credentials to provide you with peace of mind certification. We listen to the medical device sector and are proud to present a fully online, on-demand ISO 13485 training program designed to meet industry demand. JCA Auditors is your trusted partner for ISO 13485 medical device certification. JCA Auditors, we enable compliance and efficiency on the road to certification. Contact us today to embark on your journey towards certifying excellence.